SketchUp Import. Welcome to this tutorial on importing SketchUp files into your application. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to integrate your SketchUp models seamlessly. Let's get started. First, navigate to the File menu at the top of the screen and select Import. In the Import dialog box, locate SketchUp from the list of available formats, then click OK to proceed. Next, browse to the location where your SketchUp file is saved. For this demonstration, let's assume the file is named table.skp and is stored in the Downloads folder. Select the file and click Open. The program will now process the SketchUp model. You may see a progress indicator as the file is imported. Once completed, the model will appear in the workspace, ready for editing. Now that the model is imported, you can start refining and working with it. Use the various tools and features in the software to modify, enhance, and develop your design. For example, adjust the camera view or zoom levels to get a better perspective on your SketchUp model. That's it. You've successfully imported a SketchUp model into your application. The Enhanced SketchUp Importer ensures that your designs are accurately represented, with significant improvements in handling materials like transparent surfaces and glass elements. Whether you're creating architectural models, product designs, or other projects, this integration streamlines collaboration between SketchUp and your application. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy designing!